Okay, I am so excited. I have this product right here, which it is a Beauty Finds from Ulta, and this was $20. And I'm so excited to try some of these things out because I don't have some of these things, and I've been wanting to try it out. And I saw it in this kit, and I was like, yes, I want. So I'm just gonna. Oh wait, are you rip it or you sip? I'm gonna go ahead and rip it. This is oh. Nice. Okay, there's some samples in here. Okay, did you cheat me? Okay, so I figured it was gonna be the actual little mini one of this, but it's not. It is. So yeah, I thought it was gonna have the actual mini perfume, but it doesn't. It has just this little travel sample size one. Oh man. Okay, so, but the rest of it looks pretty promising. So this is the tinted sunscreen protector. So let's see what that looks like. This looks like a pretty good size. That's cute. Okay, looking at that. This is really why I bought this, because this is like 11 or I don't know. I'll put in the price on here, a little picture of it. But this is kind of expensive, and I've been wanting to try it because I've heard good things. It's a primer, but it also has SPF, so I wanted to try that. I wanted to try this Milani stick bronzer too. I've been loving my Physicians Formula one, so I wanted to try that out. Up is this L'Oreal Lumi Glotion in medium glow. This is cute. It's a good size. And I'm obsessed with mini things, so I like it. And then this mini Urban Decay spray. I love the all-nighter sprays. And this one is a hyaluronic acid watermelon with fruit extract. Okay, this one's cute. It's a good size for your to-go makeup bag. And then lastly, this Morphe continuous setting spray. I haven't tried one of these in a long time, and I know it's good. I've tried it before, but the original, not the one in the gold. I tried the one that's a little bit darker in the black. It's the same one, right? Supercharged with ceramides and antioxidants. Okay, so all these items for 20 bucks. I'm excited. I like it. I think that it's a good deal for 20 bucks, and you get all of those items. Yeah, because this alone is like a little bit over half the price. I think it's like $12.99. I'm not sure, but I will put in a picture in Ulta of how much this is. But I know that it is pretty expensive. So let's try it out though. I want to see what this looks like. It feels like on the skin. So this is cute. Oh, it is. It does kind of look like a little lotion. Okay. It feels good. It does have a sunscreen. So yeah, it feels good. It's drying down pretty fast. And it does have like that a little bit of that silicone-y texture that fills in the pores, which I like because I do have a lot of pores around my nose. And so yeah, it says it has cactus flower extract and coconut juice. Okay, so for some hydration. All right. And okay, now I'm gonna try out this L'Oreal Glow. I've always wanted to try this out, and I love that I'm getting the chance to do it now. Look at that. This one has that has a little bit of color. It's in medium, so let's see what this looks like. And I'm going to use my fingers to put it in. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, the glow is not too crazy. It's not at like the e.l.f. Halo Glow, which I love using too, but this is pretty. It get a little bit of coverage, but not really. But I'm not using it for coverage. I'm using it for a glow, so I like it. It's pretty. Okay. All right, now I'm going to try out this bronzer to see how it looks. Okay, so I just did a little bit of concealer because this kit doesn't have a concealer, so I used a little bit of concealer, and now I am going to try out this bronzer from Milani. I like the color. Oh, it's a nice consistency. It does kind of remind me of the Physicians Formula one, but this one is a little more. It's not as pigmented. I will say that. Let's see how it blends out. Yeah, it's not as pigmented. It's nice, but I love the one by Physicians Formula. This was nice though, but it's kind of just like blending away. See, it's pretty. It's very, very subtle. Okay, I'm almost done with my makeup, and now for the last little parts. So I'm gonna use this setting spray. I'm gonna do this one because I just love the all-nighters. So I'm going to. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, it's supposed to have like hyaluronic acid, and it does smell like watermelon. That does smell pretty. I'm going to lock that in. And I know I already love this, but yeah, what the heck? Let's add this one too. Yeah. Okay. And the last little thing. Let's test it. Bronze Goddess by Estee Lauder. It smells good. It smells very sophisticated. It gives Senora vibes, but in a good way. Like, I don't know. Oh, it does smell really good. Okay, girl. I'm gonna add one more. Oh, that really does actually smell very good. What? Bronze Goddess by Estee Lauder. This has like that beachy but sensual, grown, sophisticated woman smell. Oh, it smells really pretty. It smells really good. I like it. Okay, let me fix my hair and I'll be right back and tell you what I think of everything. Okay, I'm back. Hair did. Okay, so again, all these items were in that set and I recommend it. I really like it. And especially for the money, it is amazing. 20 bucks. So anytime you see those Ulta kits, just like the Sephora favorite kits, these are awesome. These are really good. I got this mainly because of this. I really wanted to try this out, and I do like it, especially, you know, because it has the SPF and it's a primer. I love it. So I recommend it. Go check it out.